1. Is the primary role of the National Testing Service NTS? A. To conduct university lectures. B. To administer standardized exams. C. To accredit private institutions. D. To regulate job postings. 2. Which of the following best describes a typical NTS aptitude test component? A. Verbal reasoning. B. Physical endurance. C. Driving skills. D. Culinary knowledge. 3. A candidate is asked to solve a logical puzzle under time constraints. What skill is being tested? A. Technical expertise. B. Emotional intelligence. C. Analytical reasoning. D. Language proficiency. 4. In a reading comprehension passage, what is the most effective way to locate the main idea? A. Read the entire passage twice. B. Focus only on the first sentence. C. Scan for keywords and conclusion. D. Ignore the details. 5. Which mathematical operation should be performed first according to BODMAS? A. Subtraction. B. Division. C. Brackets. D. Addition. 6. During an NTS test, which strategy helps manage limited time best? A. Spend equal time on all questions. B. Answer tough questions first. C. Skip reading instructions. D. Prioritize easier questions first. 7. In a sentence completion item, the blank is usually filled with a word that A. Matches the first noun. B. Sounds correct. C. Fits the context. D. Has most letters. 8. Which is most likely to appear in the quantitative portion of an NTS exam? A. Synonym recognition. B. Algebraic equations. C. Map reading. D. Pronoun agreement. 9. What is the primary benefit of standardized testing such as NTS? A. Allows subjective evaluation. B. Reduces assessment fairness. C. Ensures consistency in scoring. D. Promotes essay-based testing. 10. A candidate faces multiple choice questions with 4 distractors. What is the best approach? A. Choose randomly. B. Eliminate wrong choices. C. Select the longest option. D. Always pick option C. 11. In data interpretation questions, graphs are used to A. Confuse test takers. B. Provide irrelevant data. C. Visualize statistical information. D. Reduce question length. 12. What does the synonyms section of the verbal test evaluate? A. Calculation speed. B. Vocabulary strength. C. Listening comprehension. D. Interview preparation. 13. An NTS analytical reasoning question presents a sequence of patterns. What must the candidate do? A. Memorize all figures. B. Translate patterns into numbers. C. Determine the next logical item. D. Skip to numerical section. 14. Which of the following enhances test performance in NTS exams? A. Eating sugary snacks. B. Taking mock exams regularly. C. Reading fiction before tests. D. Last-minute cramming. 15. What kind of passage is most commonly used in comprehension sections? A. Scientific and literary passages. B. Dialogue between two persons. C. Legal contracts. D. Weather forecasts. 16. Which numerical skill is tested through percentage problems? A. Logical argument. B. Time management. C. Basic arithmetic. D. Word recognition. 17. When solving a word analogy, which technique is useful? A. Read backward. B. Use prior knowledge. C. Find rhyming words. D. Guess after reading once. 18. In verbal reasoning, what is the purpose of a distractor? A. Guide to correct answer. B. Confirm previous choices. C. Mislead or challenge the candidate. D. Eliminate all options. 19. What's the best way to verify answers in the math portion if time allows? A. Trust intuition. B. Reread the question. C. Recalculate answers. D. Skip reviewing. 20. Which is an effective preparation habit for high-scoring NTS candidates? A. Skipping sections. B. Reading explanations. C. Practicing only one section. D. Guessing answers repeatedly. 21. Which format best describes the NTS general knowledge portion? A. Essay writing. B. Oral presentation. C. Multiple choice questions. D. Interview format. 22. What is one purpose of a practice NTS test before the official one? A. Memorize all answers. B. Understand the test interface. C. Avoid the actual exam. D. Skip studying concepts. 23. A pie chart question in NTS requires the candidate to A. Paint the chart. B. Convert to fractions. C. Analyze proportions and compare. D. Memorize angles. 24. In English grammar sections, candidates are often asked to identify A. Best story plot. B. Sentence structure errors. C. Drawing techniques. D. Color palette choices. 25. What is the key advantage of reviewing past NTS papers? A. Learn the answers. B. Develop guessing skills. C. Understand question trends. D. Avoid preparation time. NTS. The NTS National Testing Service is an organization that administers standardized tests in various academic, professional, and entrance exam fields. It is designed to assess the knowledge, skills, and competencies of individuals in specific subjects, providing a reliable basis for educational or employment-related decisions. NTS exams are commonly used in Pakistan for university admissions, scholarship programs, and recruitment by public and private sector organizations. The NTS evaluates candidates' abilities in subjects ranging from general knowledge to specialized academic fields. It ensures a fair and transparent testing process through its rigorous exam protocols and scoring methods. Passing NTS exams is often a requirement for gaining admission to higher education institutions or securing employment in specific sectors. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the NTS. 1. Standardized assessment. The NTS provides a standardized method to evaluate students' knowledge and understanding of science. This objective measure allows educators to assess the effectiveness of their curriculum and teaching methods, ensuring that students are meeting expected educational benchmarks. 2. Career pathway insights. For students considering careers in science, the NTS offers valuable insights into their aptitude for scientific subjects. It helps students identify their strengths and areas for improvement, enabling better informed decisions about future education and career paths in science-related fields. 3. College and scholarship applications. Many universities and scholarship programs consider performance on standardized tests like the NTS. High scores can strengthen college applications, making students more competitive for acceptance into prestigious science programs or scholarship opportunities. 4. Curriculum alignment and improvement. The NTS serves as a diagnostic tool for schools and educational systems to align their curriculum with national science standards. By analyzing test results, schools can identify gaps in the curriculum and make improvements that better prepare students for future academic challenges. 5. National comparison and benchmarking. The NTS allows for comparison of student performance across regions, states, or even nationally. This benchmarking provides valuable data for educators and policymakers to assess how well students are performing relative to national standards and where additional educational support may be needed.